Subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the exploration of China, a nation of profound cultural heritage and economic prowess. This film will journey through China's landscape, delving into its triumphs while acknowledging the complexities stemming from the historic one-child policy. China boasts a civilization steeped in history, influencing global arts, philosophies, and technologies. From the Great Wall to the Forbidden City, China's cultural legacy remains an integral part of its identity, captivating the world. China grapples with demographic shifts and social imbalances rooted in the one-child policy. While initially aimed at curbing population growth, it resulted in an aging population, gender imbalances, and family structure transformations, posing socioeconomic challenges. Despite demographic constraints, China's economic transformation is remarkable, propelling it to global prominence. Through innovation, entrepreneurship, and market reforms, China surged ahead, becoming an economic powerhouse despite demographic hurdles. China's rapid urbanization is a testament to its ambition, driving massive infrastructure projects and urban landscapes. Despite demographic constraints, cities like Shanghai and Beijing exemplify modernity, showcasing China's determination for progress. Environmental sustainability remains a pressing concern amidst China's economic growth. Pollution, resource depletion, and ecological degradation pose challenges. However, China's initiatives toward green energy, conservation, and sustainable development show a commitment to address environmental issues. China faces social welfare challenges, particularly in healthcare accessibility and social security. Reforms aim to address gaps, ensuring universal healthcare coverage and improved social safety nets, mitigating socioeconomic disparities. China's economic ascent translates into global influence, reshaping diplomatic relations and global governance. While balancing regional tensions and asserting its interests, China's Belt and Road Initiative and participation in international forums showcase its global engagement. China leads in technological advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence and digital innovation. Despite demographic challenges, investments in research and development drive technological innovation, positioning China as a leader in the digital age. China promotes its cultural heritage globally, fostering exchanges and cultural diplomacy. Despite the policy's impact, initiatives like Confucius Institutes and cultural festivals aim to revitalize Chinese culture, enhancing China's soft power and global presence. In conclusion, China navigates complexities born from its one-child policy legacy with resilience and determination. Through strategic reforms, sustainable development, and global engagement, China continues its journey toward prosperity while addressing socio-economic challenges, shaping its future with lessons from the past.